Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows Update error code solved. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshoot. Click Run under Windows Update. Second method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services, open Windows Update service. Change startup type to automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click Restart the service. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net space, stop space, WUAU serve. Type net space, stop space, bits. Type net space, stop space, crypt svc. Type net space, stop space, MSI server. Type // software distribution space, software distribution.old. Type // system32 /catro2 space, catro2.old. Type net space, start space, WUAU serve. Type net space, start space, bits. Type net space, start space, crypt svc. Type net space, start space, MSI server. Exit and restart system. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type SFC space, /scanno. Type DISM space, /online space, /cleanup -image space, /restore health. Exit and restart system. Fifth method is open any browser, type Windows 11 download in browser search bar, click Windows 11 download. Click download Windows 11. Click download now. Open download file. Click accept. Select ISO file, click Next. Open Windows ISO file. Open Setup file. Click Accept. Check Install Windows 11 and keep personal files and apps, click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.